welcome back to another video at my YouTube channel and blog. Today I've got a little haul order in from Blitsy, and sorry for the mess on my desk, but I've been in the middle of doing a couple projects and I wanted to film this video real quick because I have to send part of this out. So pardon my mess. My main purpose of this order was to get a planner for my daughter. She's been going through a lot of stuff recently and has a lot of stuff on her plate and feeling a bit overwhelmed with organization, and so I wanted to get her a planner to help organize everything that she's got to do. Main thing in here is a planner, and then I also picked up some gesso. This is by Prima Marketing. It's the Art Basics clear gesso, and I had previously gotten a different brand of clear gesso, and one of my awesome subscribers told me that that did not dry smooth and that it would mess up my markers or other things that I might use on it, and suggested I get this product. So I took her warning to heart and got me some Art Basics clear gesso. And then I saw this stencil, and I just thought the swirl pattern on this stencil was very pretty. I've gotten other stencils by the Crafters Workshop, and they're very good stencils. They're thick and not flimsy. So even though this has a lot of little intricate things, it should work well for ink blending through it. Okay, so here is the planner I got, and it's actually a planner kit, and this one is a faith-based planner kit. And one of the reasons why I like this one, it was because it was a 12-month planner, but you can it works for any month, so I think you fill it in yourself. In other words, it's not just 2018, it's just 12 months, and you do the dates yourself. So since we are already into February, I thought that was a really good idea. And so you get some fun little sticky tabs. You get a pen. Of course, you get lots of fun stickers, and here's your month stickers, and they're foiled, so that's really pretty. I'm trying not to disturb it too terribly much so I can put it back together in the box. And I just thought this cover was really pretty with the flowers and everything, and the gold foil that says Grace Upon Grace. John 1:16. I'm trying not to take this apart where I can't get it back together. Not quite sure why it's upside down. But here you can see that it's blank, and you just fill it in. So that's neat. Got a place for birthdays, what you're grateful for, some goals, some meeting information, a prayer list, because this is faith-based. So I thought this was really pretty, and like I said, I like the fact that the dates weren't already filled in. And this was very reasonable. This whole kit was $24.49, and I think anytime with Blitsy, anytime you spend over $29.99, you get free shipping. So that's. Oh, and I thought this was cute too. Inside the rings is hearts. I thought that was really cute. So yeah, so anytime you spend just $29.99, you get free shipping. And so always great deals at Blitsy, and the shipping is always really easy to get free shipping. So that's my little haul for today. I will look forward to seeing everybody real soon. Thanks. Bye.